Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable showing notes in Siri search on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, but first let me show you that the notes appear in the Siri search. So now, as you can see, if I'm going to type note, N-O-T, the notes come up. So now let's go to the settings, swipe down and tap on notes. Then go to Siri and search, and then just disable show up in search. So now if I'm going to type in the Siri search again, note, as you can see, now the notes are not coming up, only the settings of the notes are coming up to the Siri search. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.